Expand your social circle to include more women, platonic or not. It's not just about having women around, it's about tapping into the natural competitive streak that women have. When she sees other women in your presence, even if they're just coworkers or old friends, it triggers a subtle but competitive edge. She's reminded that if she doesn't step up, someone else will. It's a psychological nudge that leverages a bit of healthy competition to keep her invested. The moment that you start fearing the idea of losing her, you're setting yourself up for loss. This fear puts you in a position of weakness, and trust me, it shows in your actions and your attitude. You start to overcompensate, become too available, too agreeable. Basically, you lose the edge that probably attracted her to you in the first place. It's a mental shift that turns into a self-fulfilling prophecy. Keep your cool, maintain your independence, and remember, you were whole before her, and you'll be whole even if things don't work out with her. Most men hide their true selves from women they're into. Why? Fear. They're constantly thinking, what if she doesn't like this part about me? Or what if this scares her off? But here's the thing. This fear-based approach is a trap. By not being authentic, you're setting the stage for a relationship based on a facade. And guess what? Women sense this. Authenticity makes you a rare breed in today's world, which heightens her fear of losing you. Why? It makes you stand out because guys like this are in short supply. In a world full of fakes, your authenticity is the magnet. Trust me, she values the trust and respect this brings. She sees losing an honest man like you as a huge risk. Remember, women cannot love a man they don't respect. I don't care what they tell you. To instill that fear of loss, you need to establish clear boundaries in your relationship. Don't be a doormat. Don't let her walk all over you. A man who sets firm and clear boundaries is irresistible because he radiates strength and self-respect. From her viewpoint, the fear of losing a guy who fiercely guards his self-respect is logical. A man who values his principles above all else is a catch as well. She wants a man like that by her side, someone who stands strong in his values.